Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on your Peacock TV account. To change your password on Peacock TV, first of all open up your web browser. Go to the URL box and type in peacocktv.com and search. You will then end up in the main homepage of Peacock TV, from where simply go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Click on the account button at the top right on the next page, and then this will open up your accounts menu. Under the accounts menu, click on settings, and from the settings menu, click on reset password right next to the password option. Now click on the continue button and an email with reset link will be sent to your account. Simply go ahead and open up your email inbox for this registered email address. Simply open up your reset link that has been sent to you via email and then click on reset your password. On the next page, you can now set up a new password. Enter the new password you'd like to change to for your Peacock TV account in the first text box. After doing that, go to the next field and re-enter the new password once again, just to confirm. And finally click on update password. After clicking on update password, your password will be changed for your Peacock TV account. Next time you log into Peacock TV, you'll now need to use the newly updated password or whenever prompted. So that's how you easily change your password or update your password on Peacock TV. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.